Kurene no Falero from Samoa and Lauri. Samoa is, I grew up in Samoa about 24 years old. I come back from New Zealand, but it's very different from here. That's why we come here in New Zealand and Australia to help your family.
Yeah. That was the main reason you came to Australia?
That's why I'm coming in New Zealand.
Help mom and dad?
Help my family. Family future, my life and my family future. I got my kids, I got 8 kids. 4 from New Zealand, 4 from here.
Okay.
But when we come here, I show them, I didn't tell them, watch why I'm going. And me, I work every day. I show to them, they grow up, and they know, my dad is a worker. Every day, non-stop. Now they got, my 3 kids got a job. They got their own car. But I'm doing before, drop them off school, pick them up from school. My kids never run the bus. Us in Samoa, Mom, they never grew up to the car bus. It's a little bit thing, special.
That's it.
Pasti kali lakukan lokal dia.
Oleh lu phone.
My dad, he was grew up in bus driver, taxi driver.
Yeah. Isama.
Samoa. He's a finance man. But my dad's never scared to him. But that's why I learned from my dad.
Kaya mula kaimi.
Chạy hồi đầu xuống, mà lấy mà nó cái quán waktu, lagi nga sa sumili ya.